In this video, I will show you the simple shortcut key that you can use to restart your Windows PC without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to press Windows plus X. Having pressed Windows plus X, this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to press U. Once you press U, go ahead and press R. And in a few seconds, your Windows PC will start to restart. Allow everything to restart completely. And successfully restart, and you are done. Then from here, you can simply log in back to your Windows PC without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.